Okay, so we are on our way to Stillwater, Oklahoma right now to help my brother move out of his dorm, and stopped at this gas station. Here are a few air conditioners. This is unknown brand. It kind of looks like a Ductless though. It's a 3-ton from 2007, it looks like. Here's an Armstrong here. Yeah, if anyone can tell me what brand that unit is, then please do. And there's a car just pulled up. This almost looks like a York. Oh, it's a Luxair. Cool. 4-ton from 2001, it looks like. This one looks like it was just running. So, let's get the data on this Armstrong here real quick. Okay, it's a 3-ton, 2006. Looks like. Alright. Yeah, I guess over and up. Oh look, on this, it looks like a brand used to go right here, but it's taken off. Okay, real quickly, at this same gas station, I didn't even see this, we got an LG and Lennox Ductless mini splitter right here. It's a heat pump. And yeah, looks like it's from 2014. Okay, so we're here at Oklahoma State University, helping my brother move out of his dorm, and I came across this laundry mat right here where they have 2 ACs. There's a car over there. Hopefully they're not watching me. And unfortunately I can't get in there, but we have a Lennox, and that's an Armstrong here, as you saw. Yeah. Oh, there is a gate right there, but I don't really want to go in there just to be safe. Alright, here's some over carriers right here. $1997, 2-ton. These are all from 1997, I would assume. Alright. Okay, so we're on our way home from Stillwater, Oklahoma right now. We're stopped at a Texas Welcome Center. This is, well, actually, this is not the one we usually stop at. And there's a big star right there. Figured that would be a good place to start. We got some blue bonnets up here. And I also found some air conditioners back there.